I am a house. And today, I'm in big trouble because Pongal is coming, which means only one thing, deep cleaning mode activated.
Everyone, wave paper up and kids start cleaning. Come on. Fans, curtains, kitchen.
Whole year nobody looks at the fan, but before Pongal, suddenly it becomes national issue.
Kitchen cleaning is not normal cleaning. It's emotional cleaning. Even I'm scared to breathe now.
Next, curtains. Why are they washed only before festivals? Even I don't remember their original color.
Amma, why again cleaning? Festival comes once a year. You clean now. God will bless you.
There is old memories and lots of dust. Oh, this is still here.
Buckets going, water coming. I think today even river is tired because of us.
Small break. But Amma's mind is still planning to clean. No escape. This is my favorite part. Colors, laughter, togetherness. Now I feel alive again.
Everything is ready, all set for tomorrow. Good night.
For more such stories, subscribe to Twinkle Nest Tales.